January, FB February, MAR March. Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will learn and write the names of the months. Months of the year. Name of months. Short forms. Days. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Friends, here are the short forms of the months. JN January, FB February, MAR March, APR April, MAY May, JUN June, JUL July, AUG August, SEP September, OCT October, NOV November, DEC December. Here are the numbers of days in the month. January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. Now I will read the months of the year for better understanding. Months of the year. Name of months. Short forms. Days. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Short forms. January, JN, January, FB, February, MAR, March, APR, April, MAY, May, JUN, June, JUL, July, AUG, August, SCP, September, OCT, October, NOV, November, DEC, December. Number of the days in the month. January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. For more learning videos, visit Adam Online School and never stop learning. Allah Hafiz.